Expectations. Before my first day at the new job, I was very excited. I thought the office would be big and modern. I expected my colleagues to be friendly and helpful. I imagined they would welcome me with a big smile. I also thought I would get easy tasks on my first day to start slowly. Reality. On my first day, the office was smaller than I thought, but it was very cozy and nice. My colleagues were very busy, but they still made time to say hello and introduce themselves. They were kind but not as free as I expected to help me. My first tasks were not very easy. I had to learn a lot of new things quickly. Meeting colleagues. I met many new people. There was Anna, who works next to me. She showed me where the coffee machine is. Tom, my team leader, gave me a list of tasks. Everyone was busy, but they tried to be friendly. First tasks. My first tasks were to read about the company's projects and to organize my workspace. It was more challenging than I expected, but I learned a lot. I realized that it's important to ask questions and be proactive.
What did the person expect the office to be like before their first day? Who is Anna and what did she help the person with? What were the person's first tasks at the new job?